स्पाइडरमैन இங்க பாத்தேனே.
Cheer up for the lit boys over there.
Come on! Welcome to Con buddy.
Welcome to our fun.
That guy gave me content for free. Welcome to our mini vlog of Chennai's second Comic Con. This time we reached pretty late, around 2 p.m. Yeah, we got a bag and we have to carry it throughout the day today. But we are here at the Comic Con. Let's go. Damn. First look, what do you think?
Suvi, you should have been here.
Guys, come on, put your hands together, guys. Lovely, lovely, lovely.
Anybody has nominated him for the fight and the downfall and the virgin would have been a good day.
Aren't you going to voice it over?
No, few things are voiceover.
I'm English basically but understood. Guys, this guy just want to like
Torture you.
torture is not the right word. Okay? This guy just wants to embarrass me in all ways possible, dude.
Mohan wants to wait for the sim racing line. So we have just come here, so we want to explore everything before we actually decide what we want to do. That's like so much things to do here. Like,
You're looking at the next Ferrari driver, bro.
அவனுக்கு நார்மல் வண்டி கூட ஓட்ட தெரியாதுங்க.
If there's any Hamilton fan, just remember that I'm going to replace him.
சரிடா.
One second. So we have Hulk coming in. So first let Hulk stand. Here we have the Red Hulk arriving in stall. Captain America. Make some
சரி அதே வேணும். Super fun. We were just like meeting random anime characters and other Marvel Phantom people.
And I learned I don't know how to pose for photos.
There's just so much happening here. It's hard to keep track.
Get okay, fine. Cut that
I'll
for
beep.
Keep it out. I'm coming in late today, okay? I'm not coming before 6 today.
Yeah, he has an in time of 6. Otherwise, his ID card will be confiscated.
ID card, bro. I'm not.
Please note.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hey, ulla poda nee.
You fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going
Spider-Man.
wrong.
I actually planned to come as Spider-Man, But then one of my useless friends delivered the mask in the wrong address.
And I planned to come as Superman. I didn't have my proper abs
What
body
do you call
ready.
that, dad power?
But the dad board was like killing. So now we are in Taylor Swift t-shirt. Let's go. Yeah, we finally entered the food court and yeah, it's pretty much the same as last year. Do you want to eat something?
Nah. Hey, I'll go wait for the sim race. Auto brake, auto gear. Everything's going to be auto.
Okay, what are the rules?
Race as fast as you can. If you cross that white line on either side, your lap will be invalid. Or the best time, it won't be taken for the best time. That is how Verstappen lost. And
Against?
which GP was it? I forgot. But then Norris, I guess. In qualifying, his lap was deleted because he crossed the white line.
So we are in the sim racing booth now, and
You are seeing the next. You are seeing the guy who's going to replace Hamilton and Ferrari.
inside a video game.
Keep saying this, but then fine.
It's okay. I don't think like there are many F1.
Yeah, but then there will be. I mean, everyone's Hamilton lover, right? Except me.
Is that the Max Verstappen?
That is Verstappen. Bro.
Uniya சொல்றீங்க?
I'm speaking about Hamilton.
Oh.
Hamilton கூட தெரியாதா?
I just know that. அப்படியே commentary கொடுத்து.
I'm a really bad driver at GT. I suck at GT. I think I'm better as Formula 1 driver than as a GT driver.
Sure, dude.
Hey, I was Delta -5, okay?
So currently he's behind an Alfa Romeo.
So it was Alfa Romeo.
Yeah. What car are you driving?
I think it was Nissan.
Yeah, guys, budgetல Nissan ஓட்டுறான்.
Nissan is not a budget car, dude.
I know. Nissan Skyline is like one of the fastest cars ever made. I'm just kidding, I have no idea. Okay, so since he has a 6 p.m. in time, we are leaving now at 5 p.m. But yeah, that's all.
I don't think I'm going to make it. Imagine I spend so much money getting a cab, getting to my campus at 6:10 and they snatch my ID card. Bro, that would be the worst thing. I spend on cab, then I have to spend that fee for this thing also, ID card also.
Yeah, so we are going back early, and that's the end of this very short vlog. I hope you guys at least had some fun. I don't know.
I think this had to content like.
Yeah, this didn't have like a lot of content, but at least we just came out.
I think you can combine this both the Ed Sheeran thing and this and make it as a single vlog because it's in the same weekend now.
ஏன்டா ஏற்கனவே யாரும் பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க வீடியோஸ்.
ஆமாண்டா. Who like imagine okay this guy yapping about something for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't think I won't see, bro.
But yapping is fun, so I'm going to continue doing that. So if you want to hear
Not
that,
for
do it,
30
subscribe.
minutes, you know what? Split it part 1, part 2, part 3, 15 minutes, like 10 minutes each.
Okay, so I'll yap in part 1, part 2, part 3 very soon. So do subscribe. Catch you guys real soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's the end of this video, which we had to end because of lack of time. But 2024 Comic Con was almost similar, and that is on my channel, and it should be on your screen right now. So do go check that out. If you like this content, do subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.